Are you wondering how you can be able to create or access disposable mails and how can you be able to make use of them? Actually, this video is for you. Welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to access disposable mails, or what we call temporary mails. Actually, you get everything for free. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to get worried how to go about it. So all you need to do, I leave this link in my video description. You just need to visit, that is temporary mails, or what we call the disposable mails. I leave this link in my video description. So just click the link in my video description and it will bring you to this website. So the moment you load the link onto the moment you load this link onto your browser, you'll be able to access this website, and this website will give you access to temporary mails. And why temporary mails, and why do you need these temporary mails? Actually, the temporary mails helps you to get rid of spams and what you call the advertising mailing and hacking, or what you call the cyber attacks. And they also helps you keep your real inbox clean and secure. Temporary mails provide temporary, secure, anonymous, free, disposable email address. You may be visiting certain, for example, certain websites, and they require you to sign before you can go to access the content in those websites. Or, for example, there are some kinds of promotion that you want to access. But for you to be able to access those sites, you need to provide your Gmail account so that you can send you promotional messages, or they can fetch details about you, about you. So the best thing you can do, you can actually use what you call the temporary mails. These temporary mails will help you to bypass all those requirements, because you just provide these temporary mails. Then from there you can be able to proceed with what you wanted to do on that site, and that will help you, because you cannot be able to, the owners of those sites cannot send you what we call the spam messages, advertising. They can also, your account, your real Gmail account cannot be hacked or attacked. And also your mail will also be kept clean and secure, and also your identity is kept anonymous, that is online. So you just need to visit this website, and the moment you just load your link, you just load that link on this website. For example, I have just refreshed. You can see, for example, here the temporary mails is being loaded. I'm going to show you how you will be able to use this. You can actually be able to use this mail. So all you need to do is just copy this mail. You just copy this mail, then you can go and paste it on that is on the website that you are visiting. For example, in this case, I can just send a message. Let me just paste that mail there. Then we can just type thank you and send, and just send that message, and you can see sending. Just a minute, and once the message is sent, for example, the message has already been sent, then we can go on the other side and see if the message has been received. And you can see the system on this side is refreshing all through. So let's do it. Together. So what we need to do here, you just need to click refresh, so that the system can detect in case there is any message. And you can see, for example, I had seen there was a message. There was I have already changed my mail. So let's see it. Okay, you can see there's a message. There is a message here. There's a message that we have received. So you just need to click this. We have the sender, subject, and we have the view. You just need to click that message, and it will automatically open. And as you can see, the message on that text was thank you. So actually, this will help to keep your identity online anonymous. It is very much secure, because you don't have to give details about yourself online, because you can just give these temporary mails, and then after you are done, actually these Gmails are disposed after a given period of time. I think it's around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this email actually get disposed, and your anything that you are doing online is kept anonymous. Nobody can be able to track you, nobody can hack you, and all kinds of attacks, spamming, it will not be possible. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.